Hello, my name is Rocio Jenkins, and this presentation will talk about gender in the United States of America through the 17th and 21st centuries. Gender is a social concept. According to the article Understanding Sex and Gender, open quote, gender refers to the social and cultural differences a society assigns to people based on their biological sex. Gender role refers to a society's expectations of people's behavior and attitudes based on whether they are females or male, close quote. This role and expectation is inculcated even before babies are born. As a product of this expectation and beliefs, woman is facing gender inequality, gender discrimination, and gender pay gap. Baby boys are supposed to wear blue color, while baby girl is supposed to wear pink. As the children keep growing, this gender role keep also growing. Boys are supposed to play sport, play rough, play with cars and construction tool toys, while girls are supposed to play with doll and house toys. Man is a strong sex that not supposed to cry. In the other hand, woman is seen as the weak sex, sentimental and emotional one. This standard has been passed from one generation to the other. In the centuries 17 and 18, woman has the role of caregiver or household, but also as a worker in plantation field. The men usually work outside of the house. They work blacksmith, carpenter, etc. Some women, especially African American, were forced to work in the owner house and plantation field for long hours and inhumane conditions. The 19th century, with the Industrial Revolution, it became necessary for women to also earn an income for the family. So, the traditional role from the 17th and 18th century changed during this period. According to Locke and Wright, 2017, open quote, the market revolution therefore not only transformed the economy, but it also changed the nature of the American family, close quote. The gender gap pay in this century was something acceptable because women did not have no rights or law that protects them. Tired of unjust discrimination and exploitation, women of this century gathered together and created the first woman movement. Women movement secured voting rights for African American men, but no voting rights for women of any race. But they opened the door and served as inspiration for future generations to fight for the women's rights. 20th and 21st century. With the World War II, women became part of the industrial work in the United States, which was mainly dominated by men. Also, working at various auxiliary positions for governments. According to Locke and Wright, open quote, over 1 million administrative jobs at the local, state, and national levels were transferred from men to women from the duration of the war. Also, during this century, women demanded the right to vote, but they faced opposition. Many women activists like Alice Stone Blackwell fight for this right. I quote, open quote, the reason why women should vote are the same as the reason why men should vote, and that those who must pay the taxes should have a voice, close quote. On August 26, 1920, with the passage of the 19th Amendment, the right to vote was granted to all American women. After the right to vote victory, things started to improve for many women. However, even in present time, women are still facing gender inequality, gender discrimination, and gender pay gap. Gender pay gap still exists. In 2017, women receive 82% of the men earn. 4 in 10 women say they have experienced gender discrimination, and more than father, experience career interruptions, according to the Pew Research Center. Occupational sex segregation. Women and men tend to work in very different occupations. In overall, men's jobs, as we can see here, are better paid than women's jobs. In conclusion, as a society, we need to do much better for women. Many men and women still think that women are less capable than men, and only mothers should stay home with their children. We need to do much better than that. We need to stop judging women for their personal choice. We need to unite and keep fighting to stop gender inequality, gender discrimination, and gender pay gap. The end. Thank you for watching.